guys, this is Rutuja and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing great. So I have ordered bunch of things, bunch of art supplies to be precise, from Amazon. That too under 300. I've been eyeing on these products, not eyeing but keen on using them because art supplies can get a bit pricey, and also this video is going to be a recommendation for you guys. It is kind of a review plus haul the products which I've been loving and using, and I've tried and tested these products. So yeah, if you guys are also looking for any art supply that too under budget, then I guess this is the video for you. If this is what also interests you, then keep on watching. But if you're new here, then consider subscribing. I'm sure you'll love it here. And with that being said, let's get started with today's video. So I'm gonna go sequence wise. First thing is X-Acto knife. Initial time पे I thought कि मुझे इसकी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. I have my scissors और paper cutter and I can make do with it. But जब मैंने X-Acto knife खरीदा है, it has completely changed my life for good. It cost only 200 rupees. इसके साथ और I guess 5 या 6 ब्लेड्स भी आते हैं, पर मैं पहले इसको अनबॉक्स कर चुकी हूँ एंड आई हैव बीन यूजिंग दिस फॉर अ वाइल. और मैं उसके ब्लेड्स आई डोंट नो मैंने किधर रखे हैं, बट सभी प्रोडक्ट्स के लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी फॉर यू गाइस टू चेक देम आउट. सो या, मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट वन. सो नेक्स्ट वन इज पेपर्स. आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड दिस न्यू sketchbook from Camlin. It was costing around 110 rupees. By the looks of it, it looks very nice. So it is 140 GSM. So it's quite thick paper, I would say. For my paintings and sketches, I usually use Brustro's के papers. They exceed 300 का bracket. So this was very new and I was like, maybe let's give it a shot. So yeah, this is why I've ordered these. So in papers category, I have one more recommendation for you guys जो मैंने few months back or last year I guess discovered these. So these are journal. It is 200 GSM. इससे Camlin वाले से थोड़ा ज़्यादा, थोड़ा नहीं बहुत ज़्यादा. And I've been loving this sketchbook. Yeah, and I drew this Aditi Rao sketch and it turned out very beautiful. The colors are very nice. ये मैं ऐसी प्रैक्टिस के लिए ट्राई कर रही थी एंड या एंड बेस्ट पार्ट इज इससे कलर्स बिल्कुल भी ब्लीड नहीं होते एंड इट कॉस्ट अराउंड 250 rupees I guess if I'm not wrong. I'll also link this journal for you guys because I love this, and yeah, it has been best find under 300 rupees. If you have the budget, then go for it. Now coming on to the pencils, you could find very good quality graphite pencils in the market. इससे पहले Faber Castell का जो green color का box आता था वो pencils use करती थी. It used to cost 60 और 120 rupees if I'm not wrong. पर जब से मैंने ये पेंसिल डिस्कवर किए, आई बिन लविंग एंड जस्ट द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ स्केचिंग हैज जस्ट इम्प्रोवाइज्ड. Sakura mechanical pencil. It cost within 300 if I'm not wrong. पर मुझे भी बिल्कुल याद नहीं आ रहा. मैंने इसको इसी जर्नल के साथ खरीदा था एंड since then I've been loving this pencil. और इसका ग्राफाइट, आई मीन व्हाट दे आर डूइंग विद देयर ग्राफाइट, इट इज जस्ट सो स्मूथ. मेरे अभी तक जो फर्स्ट लेड जो इसके अंदर ये पेंसिल के साथ आया था अभी तक वही चल रहा है एंड इट्स बिन आई गेस 6 months plus and yeah, it's been working so great and it is full proof you should buy this as well. Now coming on to the paints or sketch pens or brush pens, and brush pens are very much in trend right now. Fevicryl has launched their pastel acrylic paints and they look so pretty. बिकॉज ऑफ विच मैंने पेस्टल एक्रेलिक कलर्स का एक प्लेलिस्ट भी बनाया है. यू कुड टोटली मेक दोज कलर्स एट होम. दैट वुड एब्सोल्युटली वर्क फाइन. बट अगर आपको उतना मेहनत नहीं करना है और इफ यू आर वेरी कंफ्यूज्ड अबाउट द रेशियो कि कौन से अमाउंट में कौन सा कलर मिक्स करना है, कैसे मिक्स करना है, सो टोटली गो अहेड विद दैट सेट. It is so pretty and it cost only 155 rupees if I'm not wrong, and it is a very good price. Now coming on to brush pens. I've been loving this DOMS के brush pens. ये मैंने actually Meesho से खरीदा था and I got scammed. If you have watched that video, you would know what exactly happened. So I think after this video, you should go and watch that video. Irrespective of that scam that happened, these brush pens are just makhan. I mean, they glide so smoothly, because of which I ordered these in pastel colors. Yes, they are also available in pastel color. Little that I knew, and it actually got delivered in this raw form. मतलब कोई कार्टून का बॉक्स वगैरह के अंदर नहीं था. एंड बिल इज स्टिल देयर. और मुझसे बिल्कुल रुखाने जा रहा था. आई हैव ऑल्सो ट्राइड देम आउट. द पिगमेंट एंड द कलर पैलेट इज जस्ट सो प्रिटी टू बाय. अगर आप इसको अमेजोन से खरीदते हो, आई गेस इट वुड कॉस्ट यू 185 रुपीज कुछ. Actually, my main motto of ordering these brush pens was that I want to try sketching out a portrait using only these brush pens. If you're active on Instagram, then you would know about PS Rathore. He's doing crazy stuffs using these brush pens, of course. Highlighter se he could draw Krishna ji ka portrait. It was so pretty. Those things are my inspiration, you could say, and I want to learn that how to draw using brush pens. Maybe that video is going to come soon. And so if you guys are also keen on learning how to draw with brush pens, so maybe you can stay tuned for that video. It is gonna come soon. So next up are these brushes. They are from Fiber Castle, and I have ordered these as well, along with my journal and that mechanical pencil. I'll be placing exact prices on the screen for you guys. If you are interested, then please go ahead with this, because they are gems under 300 rupees. And I can kid you not, I've been used and abused these brushes, and they've been working so fabulous. So these are 2 by. So now we are left with only 2 boxes. I don't know इस box में क्या है. जब से ये मुझे deliver हुआ, I've been like, क्या हो सकता है इस box में. Here we go. Oh, lol. So you obviously know about these. ये है Fevicryl के molded clay. सभी इसके बारे में जानते हैं. It needs no introduction. I've been planning some content around Fevicryl molded clay, so stay tuned for that as well. Our last and final thing that is left is this. This is liquid glaze. You'll use on your clay जब सब कुछ dry हो जाएगा and you are done with your painting. जब final coat होगा to give that glass finish, you will be using this glaze, and it is also under 300 rupees. मेरे दिमाग में बहुत सारा content wise idea है, but I'm not able to implement those. I've been procrastinating it pro max. I don't know why and what is wrong with me. Make sure to use each and every product, क्योंकि मैंने इसके लिए सभी के लिए पे किया है. And yeah, that is all for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed this and found this video helpful. And I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye.